Hey guys, welcome back to another Again Style of iOS development tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you guys how you can get custom keybinds, custom key bindings with Xcode. So, and basically the keybinds are like keyboard shortcuts now. So if I do Command and R, that will usually run it. So if I do this, and if I click Command and R, it runs it. Let me just, okay, I'll just leave that there. But if I do Command and B, it will build it. Let me just wait for this to load. So Command and B, and that will build it. I think Command and T, that makes a new tab, and there's a lot more like this. I think Command T, and then Command W gets rid of that tab. Oh, okay. And then yeah, there's a few more. I know that Shift, Command and L, they bring out this menu. So yeah, I'll show you guys how you can edit those key shortcuts. So what you want to do is click on Xcode, then click on Preferences, and now you're on the keybind section. So you actually start in the general section, then you just go along to keybinds, and yeah, here are all your keybinds. So let's say you wanted to find one. So there's really a lot of conflicting ones, but these are usually ones which I never use, so yeah, it should be fine. I mean, there's so many of these that I could probably never remember all of these, but yeah, you can see there's a few which actually don't actually have any. And wait, the archive is actually pretty useful. Maybe it's a different type. Actually no, archive doesn't have a keybind. Okay, that's interesting. So maybe I'll have to make one for that. But yeah, what you can do, let's just say you wanted to change it to how to run, and there's like 20 different, but this is the main one, run product menu, and you can just do Command and R, and if I change that to like say I'd change that to Command and A, then you could change that, but I'm just going to leave that as Command and R for now. But yeah, this is how you change your custom keybinds. Let's say I wanted to change build. Oh, there's a lot here. Let me find one. This one, build product menu, and clean as well. So if I do Shift, Command and K, I think it cleans it up here. But yeah, build, you can change that too, and everything else. So if I search up tab, I think, yep, new window, you can change that. So yeah, this is how you change your key shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.